Hi, this is Sinvas Reddy. Welcome to YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about organic chemistry and that in the topics the introduction of the organic chemistry and also how will classify the organic compounds. This all are explained in this class. Okay. First, what is the organic chemistry? The study of carbon compounds is called as what? Organic chemistry. First, who is the father of chemistry? We are already know who is the father of chemistry. Father of chemistry, Lavoisier. Lavoisier. Who is the father of organic chemistry? Who is the father of organic chemistry? Hohler. Hohler. He was first prepared compound urea. He was first prepared compound is urea. What is the formula of urea? We are already know that is NH2 C double bond O NH2 means what? NH2 C double bond O NH2. The IUPAC name of this urea is what? Amino methanamide. Amino methanamide. The IUPAC name of this urea is amino methanamide. Next, who is the father of physical chemistry? Physical chemistry father is Van 't Hoff. He got first Nobel Prize because of he said that the carbon valency is 4. That's why he got first Nobel Prize in chemistry. Next, who is the father of inorganic chemistry? The father of inorganic chemistry is Werner. Who is father of inorganic chemistry? Werner. Next, we will go to the classification of organic compounds. Okay. In this classification of organic compound, first classified into this organic compounds classified into acyclic or open or chain or aliphatic. Next, cyclic, that is or closed compounds. These cyclic or open or chain or aliphatic compounds are again classified into how many types? Two types, that is saturated compounds, unsaturated compounds. Next, the saturated compounds means the carbon having single bond is called as what? Saturated compounds. Example, saturated compound, example, all alkanes. All alkanes are having saturated carbon compounds. Example, ethane, CH3. This ethane having carbon single bond. Carbon single bond. That's why it is called as what? One saturated compounds. One saturated organic compound. Next, unsaturated compounds means that carbon having double bond or that carbon having triple bond is called as what? Unsaturated carbon compounds. Means ethylene, example, ethylene CH2 double bond CH2. In this compound, that carbon having double bond, that's why it is the unsaturated compounds. Next, this cyclic or closed compounds are again classified into how many types? Two types, that is carbocyclic compounds. Next to heterocyclic compounds. Carbocyclic compounds means what is the carbocyclic compounds? The carbon having cycling form, that is called as what? Carbocyclic compounds. Example, that is cycloalkanes, that is benzene, that all are carbocyclic compounds. Okay. Next, heterocyclic compounds. What is the heterocyclic compounds? Means that cyclic structure having one heteroatom, means that is having nitrogen, that is having what? Nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, that all are atoms are having that cyclic structure. That's why it is called as what? Heterocyclic compounds. Means example, ferrol, furan, thiophene, that all are heterocyclic compounds. Next, this carbocyclic compounds are again classified into how many types? Two types. That is alicyclic compounds, aromatic compounds. Alicyclic compounds, aromatic compounds. These aromatic compounds are again divided into benzenide and non-benzenide compounds. Next, in this alicyclic compounds means example of alicyclic compounds, cyclohexane, 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 cyclobutane, cyclopropane, cyclopentane, that all are alicyclic compounds, alicyclic carbon compounds. Okay. Next to this benzenide compounds means the compounds having benzene structure, that is called as what? Benzenide compounds. Means benzene, naphthalene, one of the benzenine compounds, means it is having one benzene structure, that's why it is called as what? Benzenide compounds. Phenanthracene also having one two benzene structure, that's why it is called as what? Benzenide compounds. Okay. Next, what is the non-benzenide compounds? Means that is does not having benzene structures, that's compounds is called as what? Non-benzenide compounds. Okay. These all are examples of non-benzenide compounds. Ferrocene, one of the non-benzenide compounds. Azulene, these all are non-benzenide compounds. Okay, this one once again we are explained. This classification of organic compounds classified into how many types? Two types. This is acyclic or open or chain or aliphatic. Next, cyclic or closed organic compounds. Next, these acyclic compounds are again divided into how many types? Two types, that is saturated, unsaturated. Next, these cyclic compounds are closed compounds classified into how many types? Two types, that is carbocyclic and heterocyclic. This carbocyclic classified into how many types? Two types, that is alicyclic. Next, aromatic. These aromatic structures are classified into how many types? Two types, that is benzenide, non-benzenide compounds. Okay. Next, we will go to classification of hydrocarbons. What is the hydrocarbons? Means hydrocarbon. What is hydrocarbons? That is the carbon bonded with hydrogen atoms is called as what? Hydrocarbons. Example: methane, ethane, propane. That all are what? Hydrocarbons. What is the how will classified into these hydrocarbons? These hydrocarbons classified into totally three types, that is aliphatic hydrocarbons, alicyclic hydrocarbons, aromatic hydrocarbons. First, what is the aliphatic hydrocarbons? That is having chain formation of the hydrocarbons is called as what? Aliphatic hydrocarbons. Examples of aliphatic hydrocarbons: alkenes, alkynes, alkynes. These all are what? Aliphatic hydrocarbons. Next, alicyclic hydrocarbons means that compound having cyclic structure but does not having any double bonds. That is called as alicyclic hydrocarbons. Example: cycloalkanes, cycloalkanes. What is the cycloalkanes? That is examples: cyclohexane, cyclohexane, cyclobutane, cyclopentane, propane. That all are what? Cycloalkenes. Next, what is the aromatic hydrocarbons? Means it is having double bonded compounds. Means benzene one of the aromatic hydrocarbons. Okay, benzene one of the aromatic hydrocarbons. Okay, thank you.